Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So today I'm gonna just give you this brief video giving you 3 advantages of using Shopify. So I get this question asked a lot. Should I use Shopify for my business? Wix, Squarespace, Weebly. There's so many platforms you can use and website builders you can use for your website. But I'm going to give you 3 advantages on why you should use Shopify. And I'm going to just let you know like which type of business is the best to use a platform like Shopify to display your products and services. So, advantage number one of using Shopify is the security and reliability. So, I'm just comparing this to other website builders out there. Shopify is highly secure. So, if anyone's making purchases and let's say there can be fraudulent purchases made, you have Shopify there that can take on some of the liability on that end. And they have their payment system and platform set up so that they can screen purchases to see if they're valid and secure and all that. So that is a big advantage of using Shopify on the e-commerce side. And reliability, I'm looking at that in terms of, is it a reliable platform to use? Yes, it's been around for a long time. There's some website builders and platforms out there that haven't been around that long, so you don't want to use something that is 6 months old or 1 year old and it's pretty new, and you use their platform and then all your data is gone, all your website's shut down, and you don't know where they went. Maybe their business just closed. So Shopify in that sense is really secure and reliable. So I guess that's 2 advantages in one. I'll give you my second advantage is that Shopify is really easy to use compared to a lot of other website builders and platforms. So let's say compared to WordPress, Shopify is very user friendly. WordPress, you're gonna have to learn so many elements and login details and dashboards and features and plugins and applications, where Shopify, it is built for you to just literally input your email, sign up, input your products, input your pricing, descriptions. It's just super easy. Let's just give you a little rating. Let's say on a scale of 0 to 5, where 0 is easy, 5 is very difficult, I would put Shopify on the 1 side of the spectrum, and I'll put WordPress on the 5 or 6. So it's like really easy to use. And that's coming from a web designer. And advantage number 3 of using Shopify over other platforms is that it involves powerful marketing tools. So I'm comparing this again to other web platforms. Shopify has marketing tools and applications that can be integrated. For example, Facebook shops. You can create a Facebook shop through your Shopify account and actually sell your products from Facebook directly through Shopify. So use their payment gateway. So that is amazing. And the same thing with Instagram too. You can have a picture of your product on Instagram, have a tag where when that person clicks the tag, it directs them to the Shopify page that's associated with that product, and they can just make a purchase in a few clicks. So that is very powerful. And those are my 3 advantages of using Shopify. In another video, I'm going to give you some disadvantages, but that's coming soon. And I'm just going to give you a general idea of what types of industries should use Shopify. If you are a business that is selling product and selling a high volume of product and has to track inventory, so anything to do with e-commerce and sales, I would definitely recommend you use Shopify over other platforms like Wix or Squarespace. Secondary, WordPress would be the second best if you are operating an e-commerce business, but it really depends on a lot of specifications. So with that being said, if you need additional marketing, web design, or just business help, I'm gonna put my link in the description box to just book a little session where I can help you out, help you choose which platform's right for you. If you're watching this on YouTube, if you're watching this on Instagram, the link will be in my bio. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot more than you learned a few minutes ago, than you knew a few minutes ago about Shopify. And enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. All right.